Ready, set, go! Yelled the bear. The rabbit and frog ran fast. Wait for me, called Little Duck. You are too slow, said the frog. Little Duck had very short legs. I will try my best, he panted. Suddenly the animal stopped. Oh no, a river, cried the rabbit. I cannot swim, sighed the frog. But I can, smiled Little Duck. He jumped into the water. Hop on my back, he said. Hold on tight, called the duck. You are so fast, cheered the frog. Let's finish together, they smiled. Helping friends is the best prize. Like and follow.